You think you have a CCIE problem. You don't. You have 11 excuses standing between you and CCIE. Number 1, too old. Listen, there are people in their 60s, in their 70s, moving forward while you're still thinking about it. Number 2, no time. Check your screen time right now. If it's over 40 minutes, you are not busy. You are just fooling yourself. Number 3, no money. Then your situation is already at risk. And doing nothing is making it worse every single day. Number 4, family. Your family doesn't need you to be comfortable. They need you to progress towards your goals. Number 5, not smart enough. CCIE is not about intelligence. It's about repetition, structure, hands-on experience. 6, already tried and failed. You tried the wrong way, try again the same way, you'll fail again. Number 7, no equipment. You don't need equipment. You need a system. Guided, structured, live. Number 8, no mentor. That excuse just disappeared. You found one. Number 9, too late. This is the result of your procrastination. Just start now. Number 10, wrong program. You tried 5 days, we give you 1 year. You tried theory, we give you hands-on experience. Wrong decision, wrong results. Now make the right one. 10 excuses, all gone. And now number 11, the new one. Number 11, AI will replace CCIE engineers. AI will never replace CCIE engineers. CCIE engineers use AI. These were the 11 excuses. None of them were real. Are you ready to become a CCIE? Schedule your Zoom session with me right now.